Philippines sa great history. According to our geography, Manila is the capital city, taking point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Saputi, Malabon, Las Piñas, Paranaque. From the north, Batanes, Apare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte. Sayawin na riyan. Kapila, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Numipisija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Alara, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines, Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur.